Okay, this video is to show you how to turn in your packet for the week once it is completely finished. I'm going to show you on an iPad so that you can see it on a phone or iPad device. And then I'm also going to show you on a computer so that you can see both ways. The first way is with the iPad. So as you know, there's Stream Classwork People. You go to Classwork, you would go to Week 1 Packet, and Your Work is always under the Your Work button. And then when you want to work on it, you click that button and it lets you work. But when you are completely done and you have all the work done on it and you're ready to turn in for the week, then you go to the blue button and you click Turn In. Do you sure you want to turn in? Sorry. Now, here's the deal. Once you have turned in, if you try to go back and work on that packet, it will not let you. It's going to send you a message like, you're unable to work on this packet because you have already turned it in. Okay, so you want to make sure that when you have turned in that packet that you're finished with it, because if it's in turn in mode and stuff, it's not going to let you work on it. Okay, all right, now let's say that you have turned it in and you're like, uh-oh, I messed up. I didn't want to turn it in. I messed up. Then there is a button. Sorry, it's out of focus. There is a button that says unsubmit. So you can unsubmit a turn in. So you can unsubmit that turn in, and it will look the way it looked before. But remember, guys, when it's turned in, you can't work on it. Okay, so just make sure that you have it in the right mode if you're ready to work. It is due Monday at 11 a.m. Okay, all right. Now that is on a iPad. What about a computer? Well, if I want to do it on a computer, guys, when you go and you click on it to work on it, it looks something like this, right? It's got the packet. You're able to type on a computer and do all those things, right? But you cannot turn it in when you are working on it. Let me repeat that. You cannot turn in a packet when you are working on it. So you have to go back to the classroom. Now, let's say I go straight from the stream. Here's Stream where I post the videos. Here's the classwork area. Okay, so instead of clicking on the assignment, because we know I can't turn it in there, we're going to go to View the Assignment. And then once you're in View the Assignment, then you can see the Turn In button. So again, you can turn it in, but once it's turned in, you will no longer be able to work on it. You can unsubmit it, but you have to turn it on that button. That is how I am going to grade the assignment. Now, one other thing I want to show you is if you go to classwork and you go down to projects, you will notice that when I view the assignment, there is no turn in button. That's because I didn't send you a file attachment to work in. Everything was done through YouTube and Flipgrid. So on this one, when you are done and you've done your Flipgrid and you have it in the database where I can look at the video and grade it, then all you need to do is go over here and mark that you are done. That way I know you're done, and I know that I can go to the Flipgrid and I would be able to find your video that you're posted with your t-shirt. So anyways, I hope this helped. Also, some of you were concerned because there's no pickup line next week on Monday. The reason there's no pickup line for us is because we are not sending any supplies out next week. What we are doing for the project, you will not need to go through the pickup line and pick up supplies. And any packet or project that we send out to you guys will be done just like this week, where we send you the info through the classroom and the videos through the classroom, and you're able to do every single bit of it online. So we will not be having packets. Again, if you want to print it and you want to write on it, I have no problem with that. But as far as turning it in, you'll turn it in online. So anyways, I hope this answered some of your questions. Thanks, guys.